Hi guys, Ange here. Thanks for joining me. In today's video I am going to go over two beautiful palettes that I have recently received, and they are the mini Pat McGrath Mothership Palettes. Now when Pat McGrath launched her original eyeshadow palettes in the Mothership range, I was so tempted, but at $125 US I couldn't really justify spending that amount. So when these came out and I could get a mixture of eyeshadow tones, I chose these two out of the set of 3 that you can get. I went for the Subliminal Platinum Bronze palette and the Mothership Sublime Bronze Ambition palette. These retail for $55 US and you can purchase them from Sephora or the Pat McGrath website. Now you can get them here in New Zealand from the Pat McGrath website at a cost of $25 US for shipping. Two palettes that I have, as I said. This is the Bronze Ambition. Love the packaging. In the original Mothership palettes, the outside cardboard box had these beautiful graphics on them, but when you removed the palette from the box, it was a beautifully packaged black palette, and all the palettes were the same. The only difference in them was the outer packaging, and this particular palette comes with a beautiful sized mirror and 6 beautiful shades here, warm in colour, and I just absolutely think the packaging on this particular palette is just stunning. Love this one. And then the palette that I'm wearing today is in the Platinum Bronze, and once again the cardboard packaging, a beautiful mirror, and these have more of a cooler tone to them rather than the bronze, which is more warm. So if you were interested in seeing how I created this cool yet neutral eye look using the Platinum Bronze palette, please keep watching. So this is the Pat McGrath Mothership Subliminal Platinum Bronze, and this is the one that I am going to use today. The packaging is just gorgeous, and the packaging is part of the palette. So this is the cooler tone palette of the two that I have purchased, and we're going to use this today. I'm just going to start with a couple of colours from my singles eyeshadow palette just to prepare my eyelid, and I'm going to be taking a bone coloured eyeshadow and just apply it all over my lid as a base. I'm also going to go in with the colour Birkin from Anastasia Beverly Hills and just do a very light transition colour just above my natural crease line. Okay, now dipping into this gorgeous palette, we will start. There's 5 shimmery colours in here and only 1 matte, and the matte is quite a dark colour, which is why I went in with the Birkin Anastasia colour, just to give a bit of a transition that's not shimmery just in this upper part of my eye. Then it starts getting, what do I use? Okie dokes. I might go in with Ritualistic and try that in my, just above my crease line, using little circular motions. So that was just doing little circular motions in the outer portion of my eye, just dragging it in to the inner part with slight window wiper motion. These Wayne Goss brushes are super soft. I think I will add to my collection over a period of time till I have the full collection. Because they're a luxury brush, but they're a lot more affordable than, say, Tom Ford brushes and other brushes that I quite like, but these are just beautifully soft. So that was the colour Smoke and Mirrors, and I've just tried to go higher up to create a higher up crease line. Actually using that same Wayne Goss brush, I'm now going to go in with the only matte colour, which is Deep Velvet, and just ever so slightly add that to the outer portion of my eye, just to deepen that up a little bit. And running it under. Same again. Going back with the R40 and just blending that all in. Now I'm going to go in with this beautiful telepathic taupe colour. So I'm going to take an Sigma E60 shader brush. I'm going to add some of my Smashbox primer water on it, and we'll see what this beautiful telepathic taupe looks like on my lid. This is quite a cool smoky eye that I'm coming up with. I didn't have any ideas what I was going to do when I started, but I quite like cool neutral colours. It's a nice change from warm colours. There's so many warm palettes out there that I just was looking forward to using this cooler palette. Now I'm going to go in with a bit of Platinize on my finger, and I'm just going to press that on with my finger. That's the difference between the two. To give it a bit more of a glittery pop. I have to say, I think applying it with the finger, more of a shimmery metallic look. I do really love that colour though. Okay, So I'm getting to utilise a few of the shadows. I'm going to go in with a wee Morphe brush, and I don't have a number for that. And I'm just going to take this ritualistic colour again, and I'm just going to run that underneath my eye. Like so. Then just a little bit of the deep velvet on the outer. A little bit of my eye, and that's the shadows. Okay, I'm just going to go with my Marc Jacobs fine liner in blacker and line my upper waterline. Along the lashes, just to make the eyelashes just appear a little bit thicker at the lash line. I'll just do a flick of mascara, pop on some lashes, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, so back with my lashes, and I am really happy with this eye look. I have been wearing a lot of warm colours recently, so this cool yet neutral eyeshadow look I am really happy with. I am quite chuffed with it actually, and glad that I have used this palette first. So from the two palettes that I have, today's look was with the Platinum Bronze palette, and I am really happy with how it turned out. I was a little bit worried because there were so many shimmer colours in this palette and only one matte, but I am extremely happy with how this look has turned out. I love the packaging on these palettes. I can see why everybody was excited about it, and the fact that they are a lot more affordable than the original Mothership palettes. The original Mothership palettes had, I believe, 10 shadows in them and were $125 US. These have 6 and they are $55 US, and it is a lovely way to be able to be introduced into the Pat McGrath makeup world, which I am very happy that I have these palettes. If you enjoyed that guys, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. If you are interested in seeing more videos from me, please click the subscribe button. That would be fantastic. I upload 2 videos a week, and they are mainly makeup and skincare related, and I do put the odd lifestyle video up there, but they are mainly beauty related videos. So if you would like to see more, just click the subscribe button. That would be great. I would love to see you back. Thank you so much for joining me guys. I hope you've all had a beautiful and a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you next time. See you later. Bye.